Hi guys, my cutting is done. This one is back part, and now I am going to make double XL size. Double XL is my size, so that's why I am making a double XL. My cutting is already done. This is the back part. And this one is sleeve. This one is sleeve. Cut here. This one is my front. You see, I cut the front part extra. You see, in the side seam is half inch extra, and armhole little bit extra. I show you. This part is little bit extra. This one is also extra, and in center front also extra, because now I am going to make knife pleat shirt. My knife pleat is around 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each knife pleat take it half inch margin. That's why I am going to add 4.5 inch extra margin for knife pleat. When my knife pleat is done, after that I will recut the front, because this technique is very easy and simple and accurate. That's why I explain to you easy technique. If I add the margin in main part for knife pleats, so should be not coming correctly. That's why I am at the in center front 4.5 inch seam allowance. After the knife pleat, I will cut according to front part. If you need more pintext, you can add more margin. Each knife pleat take it around half inch margin. Okay.